Hello, viewers. As you know, I am very intelligent. I'm a pretty smart guy. Oh, I'm a pretty intelligent man. I'm very smart. And using these amazing intelligences says that I have, as you can see, this is my brain. It's a real picture. It's pretty big. Also happy Friday the 13th. But I'm very smart, and I decided today while I was taking my English final, why do I need English when I could become when I could just save the world? So I would like to present my new number that I invented, Quilmo. As you can see, it goes in between 3 and 4. So let's say we're learning how to count. We go 1, 2, 3, Quilmo, 4, 5. This is what it looks like. I spent hours and hours and hours coming up with the design. I, you know, collaborated with some of the greatest intellectuals of our time. And yeah, it's Quilmo. Pretty cool. It's very rad, and it is the future of everything. Like like this circle right now is approximately its circumference, its radius is exactly 13 Cuomos. And then for let's say we're doing math, so we have our little graph and then we have our triangle. I've reinvented the formula for this, so it'll be um, a squared plus Quilmo squared equals obviously equals c squared. And yeah, but I realized if we offset all the numbers, that will cause some economy issues. So I thought of ahead and I created a new economy. As you can see, we I'm pre I'm presenting the system of Quiptons. Quiptons are a new form of currency, but I decided to make things fun. Dollars are circle shaped, and they're still made out of paper, but they're circle shaped, and coins are rectangle shaped. This is what a single Quipton would look like. That's me. As you can see, because I'm the founder, I'm on both of these. Um, but I think the circle shape of the Quipton, well, this is 100 Quiptons. Obviously, they're going to look different, but in different colors. I'm thinking of like a blue one and and this color, like this teal color thingy. I don't know, but this will reduce the number of space that dollars take up in wallets. But because I'm so rich, all that fun stuff, I have obviously no room in my wallets. I have like 17 wallets, and I still don't have enough. Coins are rectangle shaped. They're going to be the exact same size as exactly one US quarter, and I think they will fit better because they'll be more organized, easier to stack. Unfortunately, you won't be able to flip them because, I mean, maybe you can, I don't know. But exactly one Quipton, so this is equivalent to 0.0001% of a US dollar. So I'm sure there's somebody there. I'm so intelligent. I don't think I could explain this on normal person terms, but I'm sure somebody in the comments is able to translate what I'm trying to what this means to the average guy. But then I realized if coin if I'm making a new economy, it's pretty hard to just change a currency for a whole country. So that's another reason why I'm proposing a new country. As you can see, Quill Mod Land thing is a going to be a new country. It's going to be it is democracy, free speech, and 85% tax rate. I am in charge, but I realize that since the world is all discovered, we don't have any other room. We're just going to build an island for this country using trash um, from like sewers and stuff, and then we're just going to grow grass on it, and it's going to be off the coast of California. And eventually we will invade California and then just kind of, you know, move on from there. We're going to have some pretty cool weapons. I'm going to invent weapons so that we don't get invaded by the country of California. And it's pretty awesome. And this is the country of the future. Consulting with some amazing artists and stuff, we've come to a design on what this country will look like. So we have figure one. As you can see, it is very high tech. That's going to be my house right there. Um, this is going to be the bank for where you're able to trade in your Kryptons for other currencies, but you're not going to want to do that. Our waterways, which are not actually going to be made from real water, but from rather synthetic water that we produce that is able to be reused from waste. So as soon as you go to the bathroom, it goes through a filter and then just comes right out your sink again. And then here, as you can see, this is another image of what the future is going to look like. That's me with my jetpack I also invented. More synthetic water, more synthetic water. Very shiny because we have just that much money. And yeah, I just think it's a pretty cool guy. But I think it's time you meet your president. So this is me. Um, this is what I look like. As you can see, I'm always pondering, always pondering. I'm always thinking of something new, some new idea, something that changed the world. And I look over and I see the world and I'm like, I'm gonna fix this. And yeah, Cuomo is the future of the world. So please invest. It would make me it would make me very happy. And yeah, I would appreciate it. So Cuomo, future of the world, just go for it. Yeah. And if you don't go for it, one day you'll see. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Consider this.